Hello friends, today we are going to unbox the oxy99's oxygen concentrator, and we'll tell you today how you can use it to take pure oxygen in your body. This is oxy99's oxygen concentrator. Please carefully read the manual given in the box before using the oxygen concentrator. Do you get in this? A nebulizer kit, a nasal cannula, a white pipe nasal cannula, accessory set and a power adapter. Be sure to loosen the belt of the air compressor given below before using it. Plug it in power plug and fill a clean water bottle. Remove the water cup given in the front. Take out the seal and put a funnel in it. Now put water in it. After setting the water level, fit it back in its place. Do you get oxygen from this hole? So put a pipe here and set this pipe on your body. And adjust it inside the nostrils. Now turn on the oxygen concentrator and carefully understand all the options given on it, such as percentage level and flow. Start the oxygen concentrator by pressing the on button again. You can adjust the flow of oxygen concentrator and its timing according to your need. In this, you can adjust oxygen flow from 1 liter to 7 liters. It provides you pure oxygen up to 93%. Now breathe, inhale and exhale the way you breathe normally. Oxy99's oxygen concentrator makes your body's oxygen level perfect. We can also use it for nebulization, such as putting pipes at this place and connecting your nebulizing kit to the pipe. At this place, you can put the medicine of your nebulizer. Close it and then apply the mask inside it. You can also make a nebulizer by applying the mask on your mouth. It acts as both oxygen concentrator and nebulizer. And be sure to change the given cotton filter in time. Contact us today for complete information of oxy99's oxygen concentrator.